Up on the mountain, far from the town, wrapped in an evergreen gold-purple gown, soft blowing breezes over the seas, over the mountain, filling the trees. Bright yellow primroses, tired of sleep, out of the crevices tiny heads peep. Little white daisies, millions and more, breathing a welcome in nature's own lore. Pass not the bluebell, deeper than skies, transplanting their happiness into your eyes. Green and gold valleys burst to your view, filling your soul with God's goodness anew. Tramping through heather, through bracken and fern, slipping and sliding o'er boulder and cairn, gazing o'er chasms that fill you with dread. Far, far above you, the cliffs frowning